All right, surface area of spheres. So, as we discussed, remember, the sphere is a 3D circle. And we talked about how the radius of a sphere connects from any point outside of the circle and goes into the center. Okay? It's the most important part about understanding a sphere right now. Now, surface area of a sphere. There is a very simple formula for this. If you know that the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared, then to get the surface area of a sphere, all you have to do is take the radius, square it again, multiply it by pi, but also multiply by 4. Okay, so your formula becomes 4 times the radius squared times pi. So let's look at what this looks like. So in this problem, it says find the surface area of a sphere with diameter 76 centimeters. Give your answer in terms of pi, which is what we're doing for all circles. Okay, whether it's a circle or a sphere, we're only putting our answers in terms of pi. We're not going to work out pi. So first thing we're given is diameter, but remember, we don't need the diameter, we need the radius. So the first thing we need to do with the diameter of the circle is cut it in half, because the radius is half the diameter. So knowing that, I take 76, I divide it by 2, I get 38. Then I plug it into my formula. 4 times 38 squared. Remember, you're only squaring the radius, not the 4. And that gives me 5,776 pi centimeters squared. That's it, you're done. So the surface area of the sphere is 5,776 pi centimeters squared. We're not going to do volume yet, so don't worry about this one. Let's try this. Find the surface area of a sphere with a great circle that has an area of 49 pi miles squared. Now remember, the great circle is basically what cuts the sphere in half. It's the biggest. We know that to find the area of a circle, we do pi times the radius squared, which is actually part of our formula. Remember, our formula for surface area is 4 times pi times the radius squared. So all we really need to do to get the surface area of the sphere is take 49 pi and multiply it by 4. And 49 times 4, 49 times 4 is 196. So you get 196 pi miles squared. That's all you have to do. If you were given the area of the great circle, all you have to do is multiply the area by 4, and you're done. I want you to do this one on your own. We're given a diameter of 50 centimeters. So pause the video and solve this for me, please. All right, so remember, if you're given a diameter, you cut it in half to get the radius. So 50 divided by 2 is 25. And then you just plug in for the radius. 25 squared, which gives me, I believe, 625. And then multiply that by 4, which gives me 2,500 pi centimeters squared. So that should have been your answer. That's it for this video. Okay, remember, all we did was surface area of a sphere. And then in our next set of lessons, we're going to be dealing with volume of prisms, cylinders, cones, and spheres. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.